So I think the first thing I want to touch on is I want to understand a little bit when you guys work with projects, right? Like the L1 stack is, I'd say, very different from the other stacks we see in the whole industry, especially the layer 2 stacks. So especially looking at the compliance part or the economic side of it. So I'd love to hear from each of you, like what factors are driving projects towards L1s to choose it for their projects? What are these unique requirements they have? Especially when thinking about enterprise use cases, gaming use cases, DeFi use cases, and why are they making the choice?
Yeah, so I think the drivers have been quite diverse depending on customer, because we cover both crypto native as well as the enterprise customers. So like for example, Binary Holding, which has been running on OP Stack, have got millions of transactions and they are into telecom space. So for them, I think throughput was a massive requirement. In addition to that, with sudden changes in OP Stack not supporting the native gas token, I think was another motivation for them to go for L1, where they can have their custom gas token as well as custom staking, etc. And then we have, for example, Turf, which is into gaming space and building on-demand data and analytics. For them, again, throughput was a massive requirement because they are doing a lot of data generation and data analytics and data storage. So they wanted to have something which is cost effective at the same time provide necessary throughput. Then we have CodeNeg, which is into automotive. For them, compliances was a massive requirement because they are getting data from all the vehicles. So high throughput, at the same time compliance of data, because and then the data is being shared with some of the enterprise partners like insurance, etc. So compliance was a massive requirement. Same goes for Siemens Energy. They are running a POA, a closed consortium kind of use case, where the permissioned nature of L1. So I think it's a gamut, from permissionless to permission, and then somewhere in between, all kind of configurations. And we have customers we have seen, realizing massive benefits out of the different features of L1.
Yeah.